everyone. We are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today, and we're going to install the doorknob on here really quick and do an installation so you guys can see, and also see an uninstallation of the old one that was here, just in case you are replacing an old one as well that broke, or you're just replacing it for whatever reasons that you have. So let's take this out and see how easy this is going to be over here. So this is an older one, as you can see, because it has flat head screws on here, but let's get to the going and get this taken care of. All right, so these are adjustable, guys, for how deep your door is going to be, a standard door, or if you guys have, you know, one that's a little bit deeper. So you're going to change that, so this way your goal is to have that in the center line, okay? So we're on the smallest setting, which is all the way to there, so when it slides in here, that's going to be perfect for me, see, and that's going to be in there. But if it wasn't, you're able to just pull this over now, where before you used to have to do a bunch of screws and stuff like that. Now all you do is just push it over, you know, whichever one you're going to be using, all right? But we're not going to be using that one. I'm going to be using the inside one, and then it goes just like that, all right? All right, guys, so usually in an installation, you're going to want the screws facing the inside. This way you can't just, you know, take it off if you're trying to lock the door. You're not trying to lock this, but even if it's going to be on the inside for also visual purposes as well. All right, so me, I would just say, you know, made in Taiwan. I would make that facing up, just in my opinion. You probably don't have to exactly, but that's the way I'm doing it. And it's going to fit in like so. See, just like that. And it fits right in, slides in there nice and easily, this one. And then you're going to follow it up with this one on the back. Okay. Just like that. And then you just hold it. And usually you're able to use one hand to get the screw at least started. Alrighty, everyone. That's about it for the installation. That's kind of what it looks like right there. All right, we got to move some tape. I guess I'll change out this one because we might as well. All right, guys. So this is the strike plate. So we're going to change this one out because this one looks a little poops. So we will just change it out for a new one. And that's kind of the new strike plate of what's over there. Make sure it closes all nice, guys. Done. Locked. All right, and that's the final outcome of it. All right, everyone. So that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews on the installation, and to show you how simple it was, and to make sure you line it up properly and that it closes properly before you leave the job and decide to go to somewhere else, and then someone finds out that it doesn't close properly. Because sometimes the door will swell and stuff like that, okay? It depends on your environment. So you just want to make sure that there is going to be a little bit extra room. If you do want to make this tighter, there are different ways you could do that. You can make this strike plate, you can move it, you could sand down a little bit. Okay, but I mean, for a closet door, I don't think you really need to do that, all right? But like I said, that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews on the installation. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community, all right? And if you can, unless you dislike me for any reason, you can support the channel by clicking on the affiliate links below. Somehow, some way, times a million, it equals into something. But from what I saw, there are other ways to support the channel on YouTube. And if you do decide to support the channel, please make sure you come back, see that I'm putting that support back into it, getting more stuff to review, doing updates on the items so we know we're getting a good value, and also helping my subscribers with any questions they have on the products that I did a review. All right, so everybody enjoy, be safe. Glen Velvet Reviews is out. Bye-bye, everybody, and I will see you guys later.